month of class 9D. Today I am going to do an interesting and informative experiment on the basis of the lesson that I studied in my physics class this year. The name of the experiment is walking water. Water can walk? Yes, and I will show you how and why. The materials required for this experiment are
water, 5 glasses, tissue paper, food color or sketch pen ink. Now we can do the experiment. Okay, as you can see, I have taken equal amount of water in 3 different glasses and I have added different sketch colors. Then what I am doing is keep the 2 empty glasses between them. Now take the tissue paper and fold it. In this way, I have prepared 4 folded tissue paper. Then carefully put the tissue paper inside the glasses. As you can see, the colors are absorbed by the tissue. So for the complete process, we would require around 2 to 3 hours.
So this is how our walking water experiment looks after an hour. You can observe that these 2 glasses were empty before, right? But now these 2 glasses were filled with colored water. But what happened here? Let me explain you. I guess all of you know about different types of forces, aren't you? Here there are 2 types of forces, cohesion force and adhesive force. Cohesion force is the force of attraction between molecules of same type. Adhesive force is the force of attraction between molecules of different type. So here there will be a cohesion force between water molecules and adhesive force between tissue and water molecules. What actually happened here is adhesive force dominates over cohesion force. So capillary rise occurs when the adhesive force is greater than the cohesion force. So this is the reason behind walking water. I hope all you enjoyed this experiment and this experiment is useful to all of you. Thank you. Today I am going to do a simple and interesting experiment. So let's observe it. The materials required for the experiment are glass, water and a piece of paper. So let's do the experiment. See, this is a glass. Now I am going to fill the glass with water. Now I am going to cover this glass with this paper. You may think that I am asking a foolish question. But tell me, what happens to the water when I tilt the glass? Some of you are saying that the water will float. But does it so? Let us check it out. Now I am tilting the glass. What happens? Does the water float? No. Do you know what's the reason behind it? Let me explain. It is upward thrust of air. You all know that air is a fluid that can exert pressure in all directions. As the area of paper is larger, the upward thrust exerted by air is more than the pressure exerted by water downwards. That's why the water does not flow out. I hope all of you like this experiment. Do it yourself.